Okay. Insurgency Sandstorm. Now, fair warning. Fucking. Whoa. Oh my god. He got destroyed. Where are you? Oh shit. Dude has a shotty. Oh! Ugh. Yeah, some light. Let there be light. Oh shit. I'm going the wrong way, huh? Thank you. You a sweetheart. Oh, come on, man. Move. Get your big ass. Oh! Jump. Oh, they got me. It's so difficult to see motherfuckers in this game, bro. Oh, damn, boy. Oh, damn. Bear with me, y'all, man. I'm fucking new to this whole mouse and key thing. And this game is not forgiving, dude. Oh, no. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Whose red dot is that, bro? Whose red dot is that? I know the spawns here are all whacked out sometimes, dude. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, did I get him? Yo, did I get him? Oh, they got me. I'm trash. Oh, no. Run, girl. There's a sniper over there now. There's a sniper over there now. Yeah, girl, pop that head out. Shit. Push for that flame. Where you at, girl? Is he dead? No, that's my body. Oh, where are they now? Oh fuck! No! Oh, did we trade? Did we trade? Is he dead? Let me see. Oh, fucking John Wick. Unforgiving, brother. I'm telling you. I know that whole jump crouch move, but my fingers aren't accustomed. Accustomed? One of those words. Yeah, that they're not used to that. Oh boy, you scared the shit out of me. Oh, that's my teammate. Come here, girl. I got something for you. Let me piece you up. Oh shit. Enemy! Yeah, boy. Committing war crimes in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. I'm gonna go there. You're gonna fucking light me up. I hear you, girl. I hear you. I know you're coming for me. What you think? Thought I wasn't ready? I'm always ready. Oh, my bad. Oh, okay. I missed all those. Did I get them? Damn, bro. Dropped the whole fucking mag. One person. Fuck you mean? Oh. No, wait. Oh my god. Sip on this protein. That power up, baby. Boy, Right here, my top left. Top left. Nothing. Okay.
Good job!
Nothing. Oh, wait a minute.
I'm at B!
Tripping. No! Oh, I keep snapping on my teammates, dude. They're scaring me. Be alright. Shake it off, boy. Shake it off.
Okay, we're capturing C!
Switch this up real quick. There. Did I get him?
Hey, he took C!
Where your boyfriend go? Ah! Oh! Fuck, dude. Yo, these snipers, bro. They're scary with it. Ooh, boy, that powder jump. Ah! Don't go there. No, there's a sniper there. Don't go there. Yeah, you looking cute, though. What's up? What's good? What's good? Ah! How we do? Let's see. 13-10. Hey! At least I went positive. Yeah, man. That John Wick guy fucked me up with that shotgun, dude. Just laid me out like I'm nothing. Damn near choked myself. The ministry, boy. Damn straight. I think we're gonna try out the sniper this time. The sniper's kind of fun. But once they get too close, boy, Lord have mercy. M24. I don't know, dude. Should I do the bipod or the aiming grip? Increases the speed of aiming down sights with a... I might as well. Flash hiders, they don't see me. They don't see me coming, boy. Oh my god. If only I knew like the centering. Try quick scoping. You can quick scope in this game? You probably can. Am I gonna do it? Probably not. Cause I'll get fucking swacked in the first shot. Yeah, help. Come on, girl. Ah! Oh, man, that would have been my first kill. That would have been my second kill. I suck. I suck. Ooh, holy frame rates. It's also very hard to like spot enemies in this game. But they see me clear as day for some reason, man. Maybe I just need glasses. I need glasses. What you mean we got enemy at B? I'm at B. Fuck! I'm gonna fucking beam someone with this thing. Fucking wait, bro. You just... Give me the chance, baby. Oh! No scope! He got a fucking no scope. Oh! Fuck! Oh, he no scoped me. Oh yeah. Get cheap. Oh, come here, girl. Oh, stop moving so much. You're so squirrely. Quit being squirrely. I need you to stand still for a brother. Come on. Did I get him? Hey-o! Got him. Oh! Ah! Where? Where, girl? Where? Where you at? Where? Oh, fuck. Good shot, brother. Good shot, but fuck you. But good shot. My accuracy be squirrely. I'm telling you. Oh, get a pop. Come on. I'm not gonna stop aiming, dude, because as soon as I stop aiming, somebody always pops up. Ah! Wait a minute! I'm sorry! Oh, oh fuck! Yeah, right here. Get that angle, boy. Who the hell's that? That's my teammate. Let me get that angle. Oh, fuck, wait! Woo-hoo! Got him! Alright, that's clear. Oh, I think I saw a head. Did I see a head? Or am I tripping?
play the fucking game, man.
Where you at, sniper? Where you at? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You at? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, shit. I can't take that shot. Oh, I took it.
It's clear! We got it!
Oh, oh, oh. Yo, poke your head out.
Shit! Get back!
I missed him. Hey, stand still, damn it. Am I hard scoping? 100%. Do I care? These motherfuckers shoot me like I'm nothing. Nothing, I say. Oh, he ate that shot. There you go. Oh, I missed. Oh, I got him. What's good? Come on. Keep coming to this fatal funnel, bro. Wait, you what? Oh, he's bumping at me. I'm gone. Hold up. What's this noise I be hearing? Can you come from there? No. Alright. Can't be too careful now. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Oh, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. Call an ambulance. Code red, man down. What's good with it? Is that my teammate? Yeah, that's my teammate. It's hard to tell something. Holy frame rates. Wait! Fuck! That boy pulled up quick. I learned my lesson. You gotta pull this battery out and remove it. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. I know you want a taste of this. I know you want a taste of this. Come on now. Where you at, girl? Where you at? Yo, switch to your damn sniper. Got one. Big ass foliage in front of me. Can't see shit.
We're taking B.
I missed because I'm trash. Oh! I'm gone. Oh, wait! Fan. Fan. Oh, wait a minute. He ate it! He ate the shot! He's gonna lay down. Damn sure, girl. What's up? What's up? Where you at? Oh, fuck. Every time. Come on. Come on. Walk in my loophole. I missed! I missed again! Oh, fuck! Oh. I missed! Oh, no. God, fuck me, yo. What am I playing against? Fucking FaZe Clan? Really need to fucking get better at this whole game and shit. I freak out, bro. I freak out, okay? I shut.
On Earth, holy shit.
Fuck.
It doesn't even take that long to reload this gun.
I'm telling you, brother. Oh,
Take
well.
like 3
2
seconds.
defeats in a row, baby.
Second reload for a pistol.
Whatever, man. This game's fun, but God bless is it hard. It's not forgiving. But I love it, though. 11-14, that's not terrible. Man, take care of yourself. Take care of everyone else. You know, good karma. Karma exists, man. I'm going to let you know right now, karma exists. So, that being said, take care of yourself, take care of others, and have a great day.